church, and if persecution persists, the power of the gospel will reign, and God will not allow anyone to stop the mission of his church in serving her people. So may God bless us today as we gather and worship and restore these spaces. And our prayer is restoration of the hearts of people, including those perpetrators, that when they change, there is an opportunity. They can become like Paul. They can become like that sorcerer who cried out for mercy, even when he faced the power of God. So to our leadership, talking without action will not yield to anything. Let us take the right action. And the first action that needed, and Kenyans are waiting, is an apprehension of those people who are hooded in Prados, who were displayed in broad daylight. And the follow-up of the Albert Ojwang case, that we need to see the apprehension of those who are perpetrators and those who are the planners of it. That will restore public confidence. But the Kenyan people, we need to be sober as Kenyans. Let us not play into the hands of those who want to cause anarchy in our nation. Let us respond with love. Let us respond by saying no to anything that intimidates us. Let us respond by demanding our rights calmly. And as we gear towards a general election, let us not allow ourselves to be divided according to tribes and regions and the blockade the politicians want to apportion us to. We are one nation, one people who can thrive together. May the Lord bless his church. For our young people who